How to tag everyone in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to tag everyone on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure your app is up to date and launch WhatsApp. After that, you need to locate a particular group chat where you want to tag everyone. Now you can easily tap the message bar at bottom and then type in add. Type in everyone. And after that, you need to look whether this works for you or not. In some of the older version of WhatsApp, this will work and tag everyone. But in this latest version, you simply need to type in add and then tap the individuals members. Similarly, you can easily tap in add again and then list of members will appear and you need to simply tag particular individual. And here you can see that we have already tagged everyone by doing that process, and then you can easily type a particular message and send to the chat. So in this way you can easily tag everyone on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.